Hello guys, so today again guys, we have a new product from Godox. The new Godox ES45 Kit Esports LED lights. So yan guys, we will unbox, we'll check the lights and we'll check the quality of the light. So again, but before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that this will be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, and my personal sneakers. So ayan, unboxing na natin kagad guys. So ayan, eto, malapad talaga siya. So it's like a panel type of LED. Ayan. Because ayan, marami lumalabas. So we have a lot of COB type of Godox. Now they introduce again another light which is a panel type. But there's a twist guys for this one. There's a new technology on these LED lights guys. So ayan, unbox na natin guys. So first, check natin yung sa likod ng box. Ayan, if you can see here, may lumilipad na something. This controller. So it's detachable from the lights. For sure this is a wireless remote from the lights, but we will check guys. Here, it's all-in-one light board, offers to light without blinding eyes. So it's good if this light, if you can see direct from the parang ganon, something. Then full metal aluminum body, detachable and magnetic absorbent controller. Yan, ito nga yun guys. Next, freely adjust brightness and color temperature through 2.5 gigahertz wireless smartphone app. Ayun, meron pala siyang smartphone app. So we will check the app guys. And you have the godox.com. Ano to? So Godox photo equipment, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. So yan na guys, i-unbox na natin kagad ang ES45 Godox. Yan. So is clearly na in-unbox na namin kanina. Sobrang excited. So eto, may gulat yan. This is what inside the box guys from the Godox. You have the lights, light body, detachable panel. You have the power cable, mounting rod, adapter, and manual. So yan, eto na siya guys. Charan! Bakit may LC pa ba? Sayop man. Eto na siya guys, diba? Eto ang manual. Tanggalin natin ito kasi hindi sa kasama. Eto ang manual. So kung trip nyo magbasa ng manual, it's already there. Okay, so ang bubungod kaagad is the LED lights. Ayan, maganda, nipis guys. Pero mabigat siya, talagang metal. Ayan, maganda siya guys. Eto ang ating LED lights. Ayan. Tapos dito sa ilalim, ayun, ang power cords. Yung cable. Diba? Tapos, dito yung yung bracket na kasama niya. Ito. O yung holder. So, yan. Ito guys. Check natin ang LED. So ayan nga guys, ayan, this is our Godox ES45 kit. So hindi ko alam kung bakit kit, siguro kasama tong holder na to. Again, this is the holder guys, and it comes already the small ball head. Again, thank you Alpha for helping us for assembling, of course. Ito yung line niya and your wireless. Ito yung pinaka wireless niya dito guys, sa likod. Ito, pwede nyo siyang detachable, di ba? Yun. Pwede mo siyang i-on. Yun. Automatic siya, guys. Ito, naka-on na pala dito. May switch dito sa baba. See? There's a switch. From down, it's on. And if you want to turn off, you can turn off wirelessly. Only one switch, guys. Yan. You can turn on and turn off wirelessly. And of course, the CCT, color temperature from 5,000, start from 2,800 Kelvin. Up to, let's say, 6,500 Kelvin. Of course, you have also your dim. Ayan, pwede mo siyang i-dim. Ayan, see? Wirelessly, guys. Pwede mo siyang i-dim. So, kung nandito ka, andito ang subject mo, nandun yung lights, ayan, pwede mo siyang i-dim. yung ating ilaw, di ba? You can control the lights, and you have your channel and group from the main control, or this called control case. And this one, guys, it's soft light, and the price is around 50 KD, so it's a good price, guys. And I think this is rechargeable by USB-C, so you can charge it by USB-C. The downside, guys, this is only on indoor because you need to power it by wire. So power cable wire, which is the DC 14 volts. So still we're not sure if there's if you can power by battery. But as of now, guys, this is powered by direct cable DC. So ayan, ang pinakamaganda lang dito, the best new technology for this is the wireless remote including. So you don't need to have a Bluetooth or something wireless, directly wirelessly, guys. And again, we will try to use the application. So we'll download the application from the Godox. It's application ano ba? And again, guys, so we will try the application, guys. It's called Godox Lite. Yan, ito yung icon. I will show you the icon. It's called Godox Lite. Just download the Godox Lite. Then you can create your group, as I saw here, circle group, and you can add the lights. So for example, I make a group, which is my name, Rphy, of course. Then you can add a light, and you will detect already, guys, direct. So it detects the ES45 kit, E382 something. Then CCT, just add and confirm. Now it's rolling, guys. So let's test, and we will test also in the dark area. So we'll check the quality and how strong the light, guys. So ayan, finish, and now we can control the lights. Eto siya. This is what inside the application. So you can control the temperature or the Kelvin, of course, and you can control the dimmer. So ayan, by application. So ayan, guys, even you have also RGB. No, this is only for RGB. You can control only two things, which is the ayan, yung Kelvin and the dimmer. So ayan, guys, it's good alternative if you don't have enough battery from your from the remote itself. Then you can use your mobile application. And I think, guys, you can use also this Godox light for another Godox light, LED lights. So one day we will try also this application from the Godox 150 bicolor something. So again, guys, let's check now to in the dark area for these lights. Okay, guys, so let's check now the lights. Yon. So let's turn on the lights with 100% power and 2800 Kelvin. So let's try to check with the 6500 Kelvin or the white. So 6,500 or either 5,500. So in 100, guys. So we don't have light here in the showroom. So we turn off all the lights, and our light is only the Godox ES45. So ayan, guys, this is the quality of the lights. So ayan. And that's it for today, guys. Again, our product for today is the Godox ES45 kit esports LED lights. So yan, if you want to know the price, guys, it's already in our website in www.aabworld.com. So all the Godox, all new Godox, it's already to our website. So you can check all the Godox lights that we have, the price, and if you want to order online, you can visit again to our website www.aabworld.com. So yeah, guys, if you want to check the lights, we have here the lights from the if you want to test the light, you can come and visit us here in Symphony showroom, or you can go to our another showroom like Igala or Shamia. You can check the light, guys. So I think that is for today. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. Ang team natin sa Kuwait, which is a PBK version 2.0. Kay Palaboy OFW na kumakain na lang ng kahit ano dahil wala na ang sweldo. Naubos na ang pera. Yan, tagbitay. At syempre ang ating cameraman, ang may hawak ng camera natin ngayon, which is the assistant, si Brian Puntanar. Malapit na magtaglamig. Baka manghulo na kami ng crabs. Kasi October, June. Meron na yung crabs na yan. So, yan. God's will, makahuli kami ng crabs ulit. So, yun. Maraming salamat. Thank you. At guys, before tapusin natin, meron tayong offer. So, 7 days offer again, guys. We have from Sigma 35 Sony mount. 35, it's already 199 quality dinar. Meron tayong Ninja V, nagtagag naman ko. We have Ninja V Pro Kit from Osmo. It's already 269 quality dinar. And we have the lights here, guys. So if you are planning to build your first light, or yeah, we have Lumipad from Nanlite, Lumipad 25 2 kit. Yeah, it's also by color. This is the main panel. And we have C-stand from Valido. Yan guys, check nyo na lang guys. It's already 49 KD. The lights is 79 KD. Before is around 120 KD for the normal price. And this is 70 KD. Now it's 49 KD. So visit us guys here in Symphony for the offer for whole week. So 1 week. So ayan guys. Thank you and mabuhay.
Representing in Kuwait, walang iba sa Middle East. Nagsama-samang mga talang kabanata ng ideyang mahiwaga, di masuko ng ragasa.
You can turn off wirelessly. Ba't ayaw? Diba ganun eh.
Bigay lahat, strike to everywhere, malabo manatalamat. Walang iya-iya sa vlog, dapat ko pa ay makapal. Kaakibat pagsiyasat na merong pagmamahal. Common rise to the music with the positive.